Okay, so in order to achieve this, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use this site, which is the test site, right? And I'm gonna put my e-learning class here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to apps and gonna put my e-learning class here. I'm gonna choose my e-learning course, which is this one. Okay, this is my e-learning. And what I'm gonna do is that I want to log people that need to pay before getting access to the site. And at the same time I have to do it from here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create a site, or I'm gonna create a page, let's say the auto page, okay, and I'm gonna select this checkout in order to like link it into my e-learning. So what I'm gonna do is right click, change offer, and I'm gonna go to next, and the item name, which is the product, I'm gonna select here the e-learning, you can see here, and I'm gonna select here the e-learning, which is test for me, and then I'm gonna click on save, confirm, and people have to pay first. This is the email and password that they're gonna use to log in into my e-learning. Okay, so basically they're gonna pay first. This is one thing. The other thing they have to do is go to e-learning, go to courses, right? Go to edit, and you have to scroll all the way down and go to here where it says alternative registration URL. Why do you have to do this? Because if I save and publish, let's just save and publish to see changes on the live version, and I'm gonna disable this like this. I'm gonna click on save. Okay, so I'm gonna relog the page. You can see, so you can see the e-learning. Okay, so basically people now can register over here, and they can put their email and password, and they will be able to see my e-learning. But I want to block this. How can I block this? So I'm gonna go to my checkout page over here, and I'm gonna go to the specific website so I can have the URL, which is this one, and I'm gonna go to the live version. I'm gonna add the address over here so I can go directly to the checkout page, which is this one. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that URL and I'm gonna put it over here where it says alternative registration URL. Okay, and I'm gonna save. Why I'm doing this? Because people, when they click to register, they will take them to the checkout, so they know we'll be allowed to like register on the on the learning class. They have to pay first. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is gonna go back. Okay, so I'll link it my checkout into the e-learning and also block the e-learning as a normal registration. Okay, to the URL where my checkout is. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is gonna click register now, and you'll see that it will take me to the checkout page, which is this one. You can see this is my alternative website registration. You have to fit this on here. You have to go to the e-learning over here and put this all way place over here so you can see it. Okay, gonna relog so you can rearrange the window for my checkout, and I'm gonna click on register because I want to have access to this course. You can see that it took me to the website for the checkout, and I have to pay for it. I have to go through all the process to pay, and after paying, and I want to like log in into that into that course. The email and password that I'm gonna put over here is the same that I use on my checkout. So you can see if I go to the register page, you can see that the page out the checkout has the email and password. This is the same credentials that I'm gonna use for the e-learning.